Hi, hello dear children. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Stay home, stay safe. Nodi makla, in our last class we had a discussion on basic things like polynomials, addition and subtraction of polynomials. So in this class we are going to discuss about the rest of the operations, basic operations, that is the multiplication and division of the polynomial. So what are the important things we need to remember while multiplying the polynomials? Okay, we'll discuss here. Okay, so before going to the multiplication of polynomials, so when we are using the multiplication of polynomials, first thing is very important here. So when we have the rectangle, so obviously we have length and breadth. So I will take here length as x and breadth as y. Their area become, what is A is equal to length into breadth. I will express this as here variable. So this is called multiplication. X into y. So x is a polynomial and this is also polynomial. So these two are monomial because they have only single term. So monomial, product of two monomial, and they are unlike terms, alva. So x is different and y is also different. They are unlike terms. So their area become here A is equal to x into y. So here we get polynomials. And the next one, square. So what is the meaning of square here? All sides are equal and diagonals are equal. Okay. So here the length of one side is here x. We have obviously here x. So area become here length into breadth. Just compare with here rectangle. Rectangle in martivi length into breadth. Here also length and breadth are equal. Hence x into x agutte. So x into x means here they are like term. Then that product become x square. So what about triangle? Just observe here. The height of the triangle is here h and the breadth we taken here, that is base become here b. So therefore area of triangle A is equal to half into base into height. Here also we obtained polynomial, product of polynomials. So what are the important things we need to remember? So while finding the product of polynomial or multiplication of polynomial, now we will explain here. Okay. So whenever you get the sign like plus into plus, plus into plus become again plus. Is it clear? Okay. So what is the product of plus and minus? So one is positive, another one is here negative. So plus into minus become here minus, negative sign. Okay. Then minus into plus, that is also become minus, negative sign. Okay. So what about, so both are having minus sign. So that become minus into minus become plus. This is the resultant sign. So I repeat again, plus into plus become plus, plus into minus become minus, minus into plus become minus, again minus into minus become plus. Just remember here. So when you get here two are identical sign, the two terms having the identical sign, so their product become plus here. So when minus 2 into minus 2, we will get plus 4. 2 into 2, again we get here plus 4. So sign are same, identical, that is plus sign barutta. Okay. And so what about when you get here terms like a power n into a power m? So just observe the terms here, both are identical terms. So base are same, just power n martivi. Very good. Power can be added. That become a power n plus m. A power n plus m. If I a power n into b power m, a power n into b power m. So we cannot multiply because base are different. So when a base are different, right, combine the terms as like a power n into b power m, like that. Okay. So now when we get here a power n into b power n, so base are different but the powers are same. Base are different, powers are same. This can be written as a into b whole power what? N here. A into b whole power n. So please note it down all the things what I have written here. These are very important while we are multiplying the polynomials. Is it clear? Okay. Next, so how to do multiplication of the polynomials? So in multiplication of polynomial, always look, when we are multiplying the polynomials with the polynomials, always look for the like terms. So if there any terms, like terms is there, then combine them. So we have what we did in the same case here. So a power n into a power m. So these two are like terms. So whenever you get a like terms, just combine them. Okay. So here we have unlike terms. Okay. So a power n and b power n, they are unlike, but the powers are same. You can combine like this here, ab whole power n, or else. So when we have unlike terms like this here, a power n and b power m. So these two are unlike terms, just combine like this here, a power n into b power m. So these are the cases. So now we will discuss about the example. So monomial with monomial. So monomial means here having only one term. Monomial with binomial. Binomial terms with binomial. Trinomial with trinomial. Now we will discuss here. Okay, first one here, product of x and x, just observe that. So both are like terms. So like term means here having the same algebraic factors, right? So first one order. So product of x and x, product as here p is equal to x into x. Just observe the sign. So both are having positive sign. So resultant term become here plus sign. So no need of writing plus sign. Okay. So both, just observe here, power of x here 1 and power of x is also 1. So when we have the base are same, powers can be added. So 1 plus 1 become 2. That become here x square. So the product is here x square. What about second question? Just observe here, 2x into 3x is. So in the previous case, the coefficient of both the terms having same coefficient here. X is 1 and here also 1. So what about second one? P is equal to 2x into 3x. So first, when you are finding the multiplication or product of this term, always look for the coefficient. Product of coefficient. First find the product of coefficient. That become, so 2 into 3 into x into x. Okay, so 2 into 3 into x into x. So 2 3s are 6. X into x. Observe the sign here. So both having plus sign and the powers are same. So when base are same, powers can be added. That become x power 1 plus 1. That is nothing but 6x square. Product of 2x and 3x become here 6x square. Arthaito? Okay. Third one order. Third question. Okay. So what are the product here? Third question. X and y. Okay. So I'll take care. P is equal to x into y. Just observe the terms. So even though the powers are equal, powers are same, but the terms are unlike terms. Just combine them as x into y. This is the product of x and y. X into y. Arthaito? So because they are unlike terms. Fourth one. Okay. So 3x, product of 3x, 4y and minus 6z. 3x, 4y and minus 6z. That become p is equal to 3 into x, that is 3x plus 4y into minus 6z. So whenever you get a negative sign, so use the bracket. That become here very easy to multiply the terms here. Just observe here. So always go with coefficient. What are the coefficient here? Coefficient of x is 3. Very good. And coefficient of y is here 4. And coefficient of z is here minus 6. Okay. And just observe the remaining here. Algebraic terms here x into y into z. X into y into z. Now this become 3 4 z 12. Again both having plus sign. So that become here plus. Plus into minus become minus. So total quantity become here negative. So 3 4 is 12, 12 6 is 72. So 72 xy z. 72 xy z. This is the product of 3x 4y minus 6z. So now we will discuss if these are the product of monomial with monomial. So now I will increase for the rest of the things. Next one. Product become here minus 72 xyz. Okay. So what about next one? Okay. Multiplication of monomial by binomial. So multiplication of monomial by binomial. This is very important because so when we get here monomial and binomial, so binomial means here having two algebraic terms, right? Two algebraic terms or two terms. Then how to simplify that kind of problem we'll discuss here. One example nodona. First one, product of 3x and 4x plus 9. Okay, first one nodi. I'll take this as the product as p. P is equal to 3x into 4x plus 9. 3x into 4x plus 9. So nodi, here we have first term is monomial and the second term is binomial. Monomial with binomial. Binomial means here you are having two terms. Then how to simplify here? So just observe the distributive property. So when I get here a into b plus c, ಹೇಗೆ simplify ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? When I get here a into b plus c, ಹೇಗೆ simplify ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Very simple here. First term ಏನಿದೆ b ಇದೆ. So multiply with a. So first here that become a into b plus a into c. We follow the same thing here. So first 3x into 4x. 3x into 4x plus again 3x into 9 for the second term. Is it clear? 3x into 4x plus 3x into 9. Is it clear? Okay. Now 3x into 4x. So first combine coefficient, then algebraic terms. Plus here also coefficient of x is here 3 and here we have the constant term that become here 9. So into x. So total product become 4 3s are 12. X into x, just observe here both are like terms, right? So both are like terms means here base are same, powers can be added. That become x square plus 27x is the product of 3x into 4x plus 9. This is the method to simplify or find the product of monomial with binomial. Okay, answer is here 12x square plus 27x. Next question. Okay. Product of a square and 2ab minus 5c. Now we'll find it here. Second question. I'll take this as here p. P is equal to a square into, or you can write it a square into, what is the terms here? 2ab minus 5 into c. A square into 2ab minus 5 into c. Multiply the terms here. So first here a square into 2ab minus a square into 5c. Just observe here the coefficient of a square is 1. So 1 into the coefficient of ab here 2 and a square into ab. Here also the coefficient of a square is minus 1. Already here minus 1 into 5 into a square into c. So when you combine this term 2 into 1 become here 2, a square into ab. So here b is a different term. Okay, it is unlike term. So but a like term is the law. So when we are finding the multiplication, when the base are same, powers can be added. So this become a power 2 plus 1 into b minus 5 into a square c. So this reduces 2a cube into b minus 5a square c. This is the product of second, that is a square and 2ab minus 5c. So the product here 2a cube b minus 5a square c. We have opened the same thing here. So this is the case when we have monomial and binomial. So what about binomial and binomial? We'll discuss here with an example. X minus y and 3x plus 5y. X minus y and 3x plus 5y. Just listen. So here also we are applying distributive property. So what is the product? P is equal to 1 we to find here x minus y into second term 3x plus 5y. X minus y into 3x plus 5y. So when I get here a plus b into c plus d. So follow the same method 5 using distributive property. First take the terms here. So it binomial is there. So first one here x into product of this term, that become 3x plus 5y. I repeat, first x barkoli, product of the entire second algebraic terms. Okay, algebraic expression plus, sorry, we have second sign only, we have negative sign minus y into, again product of entire second algebraic expression, that is 3x plus 5y. again ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ binomial ಇಂದ ನಮಗೆ monomial reduce ಆಯಿತು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? then find the product here, very simple. first 3x into 3x ಇದೆ, so 3 into x square, x into x become, if you have confusion I'll write here, so x into 3x. okay, second followed by plus sign, because here the sign of x is here plus, here also plus of x, x into 5y ಇದೆ, so I'll write this as here x into 5y. again look at the second term, so here we have the negative sign, so minus y into 3x minus y into 5y, this is minus y into 5y. so now this reduces x into 3x, that become 3x square, x into 3x, so coefficient of x is here 1 and here 3, so 1 into 3 become here 3, x into x become here x square, because the base are same, powers can be added, plus x into 5y ಇದೆ, so because they are unlike terms, just combine like has 5xy, because the coefficient of x is here 1, so it is 2 into 5 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ. okay, here we have 1, so that's why 1 into 5 become 5, minus here also ನೋಡಿ minus y 3x ಇದೆ, so minus I'll write this as here 3xy ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರಿಬೋದು, or you can write here yx, so both are valid here, so minus 3xy minus, this is very important here, where the coefficient of y is here minus 1 and here 5, so minus 1 into 5 become here minus 5, y into y become here y square. What is the further simplification here? 3x square write as it is minus 5xy minus, sorry, 5xy minus 3xy, that become 5 minus 3 2xy minus 5y square. This is a product of binomial by a binomial, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. 3x square plus 2xy minus 5y square, 3x square plus 2xy minus 5y square, this is the product of x minus y and 3x plus 5y. This is the case when you get here binomial and trinomial. So look at this next case, binomial by a trinomial. So look at the example, multiplication of a binomial by trinomial. So binomial means having two terms, trinomial means three terms. So how to simplify this term? Nodana product. So here the question is product of a plus 7 and a square plus 3a plus 5. So first ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ terms here, a plus 7 into a square plus 3a plus 5. How to simplify this term? Again go with here distributive property. First, what is the first term here? A into product of entire term, entire expression. So this become a into, or a times of a square plus 3a plus 5 plus, what is second term? What will the second term here? Constant, that is 7 times of, or 7 into a square plus 3a plus 5, a square plus 3a plus 5. Okay, so what a product here? This become a into a square, a cube, because base are same, powers can be added, a cube into 3a square, that is a into 3a become 3a square plus 5 into a plus, so first term is completed here. What about second term here? 7a square, 7 into a square is 7a square plus, because plus into plus become plus, 7 3s are 21a plus 35. Is the case, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಯರ್ highest degree term, that is the power ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, a cube, that is a cube plus. So now look at the terms like, so what we have here 3a square plus 7a square ಇದೆ. When you combine this term, so both having the a square, because they are like terms, the just add the coefficient here, 3 plus 7, that become 10a square. plus again rest of the things. Next ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 5a and 21a ಇದೆ. 5a and 21a. So that become 26a. That become 26a because both are like term, just add the coefficient. Plus 35. Plus 35. This is the product of what? A plus 7 and a cube plus 3a plus. Just observe the answer. What we here? A cube plus 10a square plus 26a plus 35. This is the answer for a plus 7 and a square plus 3a plus 5. So now look at for next question. This is a method of trinomial by trinomial. So trinomial means you are having 3 terms. Product of 3 terms and 3 terms. So what about product? We will discuss here. Okay, first observe the terms here. First algebraic expression ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ a plus b plus c and the second one x plus y plus z. Here we need to find the product of a plus b plus c and x plus y plus z. Now discuss here. ನೋಡಿ. So this p is equal to product ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? First here write the terms a plus b plus c into x plus y plus z. We have discussed here, whenever get here binomial terms, just go with distributive property. Here we have the both are trinomial. Trinomial means here 3 terms. How to simplify this term here? First same here, first a into product of entire algebraic expression. Second one x plus y plus z plus b into x plus y plus z plus c into x plus y plus z. Now this reduces as a into x become ax plus by ax into ay and the last term az plus look at second form bx plus by plus bz plus and the last term product of this term here c into x plus y plus z, that combine as cx plus cy plus cz. This is the product of a plus b plus c into x plus y plus z. Trinomial with trinomial. So it is a square because these two are unlike terms. Their combination of a square into x, that become here. Okay. So now discuss about the division of polynomials. Answer is here ax plus by plus c, ax plus ay plus az, bx plus by plus bz and cx plus cy plus cz. Okay. Now discuss about standard identities. So what are the uses of identity? So what are the identities here? So when we get here identity, very simple. First one ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ a plus b whole square. Expansion ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ? a plus b whole square here a square plus 2ab plus b square ಅಲ್ವಾ? So here a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Substitute any value of a and b. This LHS and RHS has to be satisfied. So then we call this as here identity. So we'll take here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. So this reduces as 2 plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1 square. 2 plus 1 that become 3 square is equal to 2 square is 4 plus 2 into 2 into 1 that is also 4 plus 1. So you will get here 9 is equal to 9. So both are equal. Equal means here this is LHS and RHS are satisfied. This is called identity. So identity ಎಲ್ಲಿ help ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? So whenever you get here complex terms like find the value of 101 whole square. Find the product of 101 into 101. So in that case we can reduce or split this term as 100 plus 1. So this becomes very easy to simplify. Just apply the formula. A square is 100, a is here 100 and b is 1. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So these identities are very important. So first identity a plus b whole square. Okay. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Second one nodana. A minus b whole square. a square minus 2ab plus b square. So ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ, here we have negative sign. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು minus 2ab and the rest of things are same because so when you get a plus b whole square to obtain a minus b whole square just replace b by what minus b. ನೋಡಿ minus b whole square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ because minus b into minus again we get a plus sign here, that's why that become plus b square. So therefore a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So but it's third one, a square minus b square expansion ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b or else a plus b into a minus b can be written as a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Okay, third one and fourth one, a plus b whole cube, this is also very important, and expansion a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a minus b, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So how to obtain here a minus b whole cube, just replace b by minus b. Okay, so when a b by minus b, this reduces here a cube as it is because a coefficient of a is here plus, that the plus sign ಇದೆ, the sign of a is here plus, but b here minus ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So minus b cube ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, minus b whole cube become minus b cube, again 3ab ಇದೆ, b is here negative, so minus 3ab and b is also negative. Total expansion become here a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Next one, it is also very important. So when we are finding here a cube plus b cube and the expansion is here a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, a square minus ab plus b square. What about here a cube minus b cube, this become a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, a square plus ab plus b square. These identities are very important, please make a note on these identities. So far we had a discussion on multiplication of the polynomial. So now look at for division of polynomial. So before going to division of polynomials, we will go with here general form of polynomial. Look at the first example ನೋಡಿ, p1 of x is equal to x ಇದೆ, p2 of y is equal to y plus 1, p3 of u is equal to u minus 3. Second one, q1 of x is equal to x square plus 1, q2 of y is equal to y square minus 2y plus 1 and q3 of z is equal to z square. Last one, r1 of x is equal to x cube minus 2, r2 of y is equal to y cube minus 2y plus y minus 1 and r3 of z is equal to z cube. Just observe here. So in the previous class we had a discussion on monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. So monomial means here, so this is the types of polynomials on the basis of number of terms, number of terms. So now I will extend the types of polynomials on the basis of the degree of the terms or degree of the polynomial. So look at the first example only. First one, p1 of x is equal to x, p2 of y is equal to y and p3 of u is equal to u minus 3. Okay, and p2 of y is equal to y plus 1 here. So look at the powers of algebraic terms there, x power is 1, for the second p2 of y is equal to y power 1 ಇದೆ, here also 1. So both all the terms having the power is here 1. So this is what we call is here linear polynomial. ಏನಂತೀವಿ, when the algebraic expression having power 1, this is called in terms of one x, first one is here x, second one is y, third one is here u. So linear polynomial. Okay, so what about second one? ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ, x square power is 2, here also y square power is 2, third one z square power is 2. Highest degree term is here x square and here y square and z square. The power is here 2. This is called quadratic. What we call as a quadratic polynomial. ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು, quadratic polynomial. Okay, third one, just observe here. Power in the very good, that is 3. So 3 first term already highest degree term x cube, secondarily y cube third one z cube. So when the highest degree term is 3, so this kind of polynomial is called cubic polynomial. ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು cubic polynomials. Cubic polynomials. Okay, these are the important things. So ನೋಡಿ, so ಇದೇ ಥರ ನಾವು 4 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬೈ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, 5th ಇದ್ದಾಗ again polynomial of degree 5, when you get highest degree term is 6, that become 6 degree polynomial, 7 degree polynomial, 8 degree polynomial. Similarly, if you extend for this one, whenever you get here n, suppose the polynomial of degree n, that is called general form. So what are the general form we discuss here? General form ನೋಡೋಣ. General form of polynomial. The polynomial of degree n in one variable x, what we take the variable as x. Suppose ನೋಡಿ, x plus y ಇದ್ದಾಗ that is also linear having two terms. Okay, x and y. So is given by p of x is equal to, just observe here, a suffix n x power n, this is just a constant here, an represent here constant, plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x power n minus 2 plus an minus 3 x power n minus 3 plus and so on, plus a1x plus a0. So this is called general form of the polynomial of degree. What is the degree here? N, because the highest degree term, what is the highest degree term here? X power n. So highest degree term is here x power n. So here the degree is n. So this is the polynomial of degree what? N. Suppose n is equal to 0 daga ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? It is a polynomial of degree 0. I'll give an example here. So p of x is equal to 7 ಇದೆ. Here 7 is a polynomial. Yes, of course 7 is a polynomial of degree. What is the degree there? You can write here, this is a x power 0 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೋದಾ? This is a polynomial of degree 0. If I extend this one here, 7x plus 1, this is the linear polynomial. Okay, so what about here the terms? Okay, here an minus 1, an minus 2 and so on up to a0 are constant, and remember this is very important, the leading coefficient, the coefficient of highest degree term x power n, what we call this as here leading coefficient, and the leading coefficient is never be 0. Okay, it is never be 0, that become here an. So an is never be 0. Here the leading coefficient is here an. So an is not equal to 0. Now come to here. So p of x is equal to 7 x power 0. This is called here, this is a constant, so this is called polynomial of degree 0. This is the polynomial of degree 1. So this is called linear polynomial. What we call this as here linear polynomial. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? Okay. So this is I'll take this as p2. This is p1 of x, and p3 of x is equal to 7x square plus x plus 1 ಇದೆ. This is called, very good, this is what we call as a quadratic polynomial, because the highest degree term is here x square, power is 2. This is called quadratic polynomial, and the coefficient of x square is 7. So and 7 is not equal to 0. So when 7 is equal to 0, okay, notice the coefficient of x square is 0 means here this reduces as linear polynomial. That's why the leading coefficient must be non-zero. It may be positive or negative, but it must be non-zero. It is not equal to 0. So what about another? I will take fourth one. p4 of x is equal to 7x power 4th. Is it a polynomial? Obviously this is polynomial. What is the degree there? Degree is 4. This is, sorry, degrees, I will take this as 3. Degrees 3. This is called cubic polynomial. What we call it, this is here cubic polynomial. Okay, so p4 of x is equal to 7x cube, and a leading coefficient here 7. It is not equal to 0, and we should not worry about the rest of the terms. X square terms illa, x illa, constant illa. This is not the case here. So highest degree term, what is the highest degree term here? X cube. So this is called cubic polynomial. This is quadratic, and this is cubic polynomial. cubic polynomial. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್, ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದ zeros of the polynomial. So what is the zeros of polynomial? So when we substitute some value to the polynomial, the entire value become here 0. I will discuss here. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು, ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2x minus 2, 2x minus 2. So I will substitute x is equal to 0. So what is here? P of 0. X in the place ನಾನು substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 0. So P of 0 is equal to 2 into 0 minus 2. The value become here minus 2 because 2 into 0 is 0 minus 2. What will happen here? Minus 2. P of 0 is equal to minus 2. So what is P of 0? The value of the polynomial at x is equal to what? 0. So P of 0 is meaning is the value of polynomial at x is equal to 0. That is P of 0 is equal to minus 2. So P of 1 ತಗೋಣ. That is replace x by 1. We reduce that. This reduces. P of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 2. That become 2 minus 2. The value become here 0. So P of 1 is equal to 0. Observe here. I will take x is equal to 2. So P of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 2. That become 4 minus 2. The value is here 2. What is the 2 here? 2 is the value of the polynomial at x is equal to what? 2. Just observe here. Here we have minus 2 and here we have 0 and here we have 2. So here P of 1 is equal to 0. This is called 0 of the polynomial. When the polynomial becomes 0 at what? X is equal to what? 1. So the polynomial, the zeros of the polynomial of P of x is equal to x minus 1 is x is equal to 1. When you substitute that value in P of x, the value reduces as 0. Artha aaytu? This is called zeros of the polynomial. So what about general form? Look at here. So general form ಏನು ನೋಡೋಣ. If k is said to be 0 of the polynomial P of x, if P of k is equal to 0, it means when you substitute x is equal to k, the entire value of the polynomial reduces to 0. That is equal to 0. Here also, what is here? X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 is a zeros of the polynomial P of x is equal to 2x minus 2. So whenever you get this value, when substitute x is equal to 1, when you replace x by 1, this value reduces 0. This value reduces 0. This is called zeros of the polynomial. So now discuss about division of polynomials. This is very important because so far we have discussion on addition, subtraction and the last is ಈ class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು multiplication ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So and next we are moving to the division of polynomials. So before going to division of polynomials, first I will go with your division of numbers. First ಒಂದು case discuss ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So here we have the 13. So I will divide 13 by 2. 13 by 2. What is nearest number? Multiple of 2 we have 12. So that become less than 13. That become 2 6 are 12. So I will simplifying go with a negative sign because we have to subtract 12 from 30. This reduces 3 minus 2 become 1 and here 0. So what about here? 2. 2 is called divisor. What we call as a divisor. This is called dividend. And 6 is called, very good, quotient. And what is the remaining thing here? This is called remainder. This is called remainder. So just observe what in the 10th standard we have learned about division algorithm alva. So division algorithm ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. So what is the statement? ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. So dividend is equal to ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಫಸ್ಟು? ಡಿವೈಸರ್ into quotient plus remainder. This is the statement of division algorithm. ಏನಿದೆ? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the case. This is in the case of number. So we follow the same condition for ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, now listen here. So here we have the polynomials x square plus 3x plus 4 is the polynomial x square plus 3x plus 4. Tell me what kind of polynomial it is? Very good. This is the quadratic polynomial because the highest degree term is namge 2. That is called quadratic polynomial. Highest degree term is 2. That is here x square. Okay. So now I will divide this term by x plus 1 in the divide model. X plus 1. Okay, x plus in the divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾರೆ. So first term is here we have to vanish or cancel x ಅಲ್ವಾ. x square ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ x square term ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, we'll multiply this term by x. x into x become here x square plus x into 1, that reduces x here. So next is go with here subtraction. When subtracting, sign has been changed. So this is reduces minus, this is here minus. So 3x minus x, that reduces 2x. So next case you have to bring 4 to here plus 4 ಆಯಿತು. So what about next thing? Again we have to cancel 2x term, right? So 2x cancel ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, here we have x ಇದೆ. So which term when you multiply some term with x we have to open 2x. What is that term is 2. So x plus 2, 2 into x is here 2x plus 2. Now this reduces, sign will change us here minus, this will be minus, plus 2x and minus 2x get cancelled. So 4 minus 2, what do you open there, plus 2. Okay, so tell me what is here divisor. Very good, x plus 1 we called as here divisor. So what is the quotient? Quotient is here x plus 2 and dividend. This is dividend and this is called remainder. What we call as a remainder. So you can go with here same either use ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು quotient, divisor, divided and remainder. Apply the division algorithm theorem. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು, divisor into quotient plus remainder. We follow same things for the here also. We can write here x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to, this is dividend is equal to, what is the divisor here? X plus 2 is divisor, sorry x plus 1 is divisor, x plus 1 is divisor and what is the quotient here? Quotient is x plus 2 and the remainder is 1. So this is expression is called division algorithm. So ಇದೇ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಸ್ product of two monomials here, x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus 1. 1 is called here remainder, remainder of the polynomial. What is the, what we opened here remainder is, sorry, this is 2. Remainder ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ. So x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus 2. So these two, this is the divisor, quotient and the last term is here remainder. This is called division algorithm. First ನೋಡೋಣ division algorithm ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ division algorithm. So if p of x and g of x are two polynomials, okay, previous class discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, x square plus 3x plus 4 what we obtained here in last case are polynomials such that degree of p of x is greater than or equal to degree of g of x. It means here dividend, the degree of dividend must be greater than or equal to degree of divisor, and g of x is not equal to 0. It means the divisor it never be 0. Then we can find the polynomial q of x and r of x such that p of x anta ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು, p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, where r of x is equal to 0 or degree of r of x must be less than degree of g of x. This is called division algorithm. ನೋಡಿ division algorithm ಏನು numbers ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ we can extend for polynomials. So I will explain this one here. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ p of x and g of x two polynomials ಇದೆ. p of x and g of x ಅಂತ two polynomials ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, so we are dividing p of x by what? g of x. So what we obtained here? q of x as what? Quotient and r of x as remainder. This is called division algorithm. Okay, so the two examples check madam. So how to find, how to divide the terms, how to divide the polynomials by a polynomial. So this is statement of division algorithm. Now look at the example. Example note. First example here. So here divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Obviously, just observe the term divisor here, x plus 2 is that degree is less than or equal to the degree of dividend, that is 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So we'll discuss that problem. Here ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ x plus 2 is the divisor and divided here 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So first and foremost thing is we have to eliminate 2x square ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆಪ್ಪ 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ is 1, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ, get the coefficient and remaining terms here x square, here we have to obtain x square, so here we have x terms, so multiply by here x, 2x into x become here 2x square plus 2x into 2 become 4x. Now go with the subtraction. So here we have minus sign and here also follow negative sign. And this reduces, plus 2x square minus 2x square get cancelled. 3 plus 3x minus 4x, that become minus x and take 1 as it is. Next is simplification ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, here we have to append minus 6 ಅಲ್ವಾ, so the coefficient of x here plus 1 ಇದೆ, so multiply by minus 1, so minus 1 into x become minus x, minus 1 into 2 become minus 2. Simplification ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So when you are subtracting this term, sign v has been changed here, this reduces plus x and minus x get cancelled, we left with here 0 and here plus 1. Observe here what is the sign of 2 here, plus, so that reduces 3. Tell me what is the remainder here? Very good, remainder is 3. What about quotient? Quotient is 2x minus 1, so this can be written in division algorithm as 2x square plus 3x plus 1 can be written as, first write the divisor. What is the divisor here? X plus 2 and quotient is here 2x minus 1 and the remainder is 3. This is the method to express the given number in division algorithm. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು. and remember ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 2x minus 1 ಇದೆ, sorry x plus 2 ಇದೆ, this is the divisor of what? 2x square plus 3x plus 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. What we call this as here? Cubic polynomial, because the highest degree term is here x cube and power is here 3. So this is called cubic polynomial. So divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by x square plus 2x plus 1. So how to simplify ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡೋಣ. So take a pause and note on all the things what I have written here for the first problem. Okay. Now look at for the second problem. Second problem is ನೋಡಿ 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by x square plus 2x plus 1. We have to divide this term by corresponding term. Okay. Just ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3x cube ಅಲ್ವಾ, so 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 and the divisor is here x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so So first term ಏನಿದೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, highest term is here 3x cube and the coefficient of x cube is here 3. We have to obtain the coefficient of the same term here 3 ಬರಬೇಕು. And the power is here x cube ಇದೆ and here x square ಇದೆ. So ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we obtain x cube here, very good, that is x. When you multiply this term here x and the coefficient here 3, that is 3x. So 3x into x square become 3x cube plus 3x into 2x become 6x square plus, okay, 3x into 1 become 3x. Next is simplification. So all the sign terms having the plus sign, so changes as negative. So plus 3x cube minus 3x cube get cancelled. Plus x cube minus 6x square, that become, sorry, plus x square minus 6x square become minus 5x square. What do you open here? Minus 5x square plus 2x minus 3x minus 6 and take bring 5 to here. Again just observe the terms here. This term is 5x square ಇದೆ. Again we go with your x square ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, so ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 5 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 5x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, but we have to open the sign negative, so that's why I will write this as here minus 5. So minus 5x square multiply by 5 minus 5, so minus 10x minus 5. Next is here, this reduces plus sign because we are subtracting, negative changes to positive, negative changes to positive, negative changes to positive here. What is simplification here? Minus 5x square and plus 5x square get cancelled, we left with here 0 and plus x, sorry, minus x plus 10x, so that reduces 9x and plus 10, 9x plus 10. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು? So this is the case. So this is called divisor, sorry, this is divisor, quotient, dividend, and what we opened here quotient as, sorry, remainder as 9x plus 10. So this can be written in division algorithm as, what is here 3x square, sorry 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to, what is the divisor? X square plus 2x plus 5 plus 2x plus 1 alva, this is will be 1 into, what is the quotient, what you opened here quotient as 3x minus 5 plus, what is the remainder 9x plus 10. Okay, this is called division algorithm. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Okay, so ನೋಡಿ, in our last class we had discussion on addition, subtraction. In this class multiplication and division. Okay, these are the basic operation we perform in polynomials. ನೋಡಿ, so in the case of division we go with the division algorithm. Dividend is equal to divisor plus quotient into quotient plus remainder. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಬೈನ್. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ಲೈಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ವೈ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ದಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಆದಾಗ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೈನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ algebraic expression and equations. In that, so those are things we'll discuss in our next class. And ನೋಡಿ, so in our next class we are going to discuss about linear equation. After that we discuss about the quadratic equation. So quadratic equation is the most important one because in chapter number 5 in this first PU we will discuss about complex numbers. This is very important, complex numbers and quadratic equation. Thank you everyone.